herbs have been trusted by gardeners and chicken keepers for centuries. They're beautiful, fragrant, and quietly powerful. In this video, we'll explore 5 herbs that every chicken keeper should grow for healthier hens and a happier homestead. First is lavender. Lavender calms the nervous system for humans and chickens alike. It repels flies, mites, and other pests when sprinkled in nesting boxes. Its scent also soothes laying hens and helps reduce coop stress. Second is mint. Mint is a natural insect repellent and a cooling herb, perfect for hot summers. Grow it near the coop or add a few leaves to their water on warm days. Chickens love it, and it helps keep parasites away. Third is sage. Sage is known for its anti-parasitic and antibacterial properties. It can help prevent internal worms and support digestion. Offer it fresh or dried in small amounts for a healthy herbal boost. Lastly is calendula. Calendula supports skin and feather health. Its petals are rich in antioxidants and promote healing. Toss fresh petals into feed or dry them for soothing salves and nesting blends. These 5 herbs are simple to grow, beautiful to harvest, and full of natural benefits for your flock. Start with just one, or plant all of them to create a healing garden for your hens. If you enjoyed this gentle look at herbs for chickens, please like, subscribe, and join us for more quiet moments from the homestead. Until next time, happy growing and happy chickens.